as you can see here, is the full content of the VSP 2025 Environmental Public Health Standards. They are all listed here. We have the manual reference number, we have the description, and then we had added the points value for non-conformity. So these give the weight of the information we have displayed here. You can scroll down, you can choose your sections. So the intention is to make the inspection more targeted, what you are looking for, yeah, rather than to finding things around there. And we're gonna click on one item, for example, save source. When we're gonna click here, we're gonna have all the information again from the manual, save source. It's item number 3, it's critical. The reference number, they are 5.1.1.1.1. You can lose 5 points for this one. And the requirements from the VSP Environmental Public Health Standards Manual, it's written here, drinking water bunkering for shore supply must be from potable water source that meets the WHO standards for potable water. The screen, the table here have the inspection information, the finding and assessment, and then we have the last one, it's action and responsibility. Meaning that if we go to the table and we edit it, you're gonna have the full information, VSP number, you're gonna have the item description, you have the points deduction, you have the description from the manual, then you can insert your name as an auditor or the inspector, you put your date and time, you put your location, where you've been, for example, engine room or bunkering station, port side, starboard side. You write your non-conformities, your findings here, and then you have the possibility to add a level of risk to that specific non-conformity. And you can put it at the medium, or the low, the medium, or high. And then the person responsible over there will need to complete the section of corrective action. You're going to name the person in charge, and you can add any remarks as deemed necessary. If was the ship was in port, was bunkering from a barge, or it was bunkering from a truck, was bunkering from the pier, or you make your remarks as necessary here. Then the platform is having a finding summary. Once you put findings inside, you can have them listed here by user. So more user can use the same platform in the same time. And you're going to find your findings listed here with the possibility to transfer them, to download them in various formats. And then the last part of the platform is we have a section with videos, which they are actually SOP in their in a video format, which they enable the people to learn throughout. They are very, very short videos meant to be very educational. So even if you have your tablet, because the platform is working on tablet, is working on the phone, is working on the laptop, is working on the PC. So if you carry this one with you around, you can just put the people a short little video. And let's say we're going to click on the use by date. You're going to see the information here, what is video all about. The video is covered the importance of monitoring and respecting the use by date to ensure the food safety, prevent the use of expired products, and maintaining compliance with onboard public health standards. And then the viewer is having the possibility to click on the button and view his video selected. And we can make a small demo here as well. You can see now the video is uploaded and good to go. So in a nutshell, Captain Thomas, this is how the video is working.
Wow, that's awesome, Dimitri.